Okay, so did you have a New Year's resolution last year, and did you keep it?
Yes.
What was it?
75 hard.
Naughty or nice?
Nice, duh. Would you rather go Christmas caroling or go look at the Christmas lights?
Christmas lights every day.
Yeah, Christmas lights are fun. Can you name your favorite Christmas song and sing a line?
Yes, Christmas in Hollis. Seen a man chilling with his dog in the park. I approached him very slowly with my heart full of fear. Looked at his dog. Oh my God, an ill reindeer.
Wow. Brad, wrap it or bag it?
Bag it.
Hot chocolate or eggnog?
Hot chocolate, definitely.
Naughty or nice?
Nice.
Secret Santa or White Elephant?
White elephant.
Is Die Hard a Christmas movie?
Absolutely.
Okay, and can you explain why?
Because John McClane was traveling to Los Angeles to the Nakatomi Christmas party on December 24th, 1988 to make amends with his estranged wife, Holly Gennaro, who was actually Holly McClane. Hans Gruber took the building over. But it's all based on the very fact that it was done on a Christmas Eve and it was done at a Christmas party. 100% a Christmas movie.
Okay, I've never seen it, so I don't know. But okay, what is your favorite Christmas tradition?
Going to my parents' house and watching Christmas movies.
At Diamond C, who would be the Grinch and who would be Cindy Lou?
Brett Thrasher.
And who would be Cindy Lou?
Gloria Saldivar.
I love that. That's a good answer. That's the Grinch. Okay, Derek, name 4 Christmas movies that have Christmas in the title.
Christmas Carol. Christmas Story. Christmas Cookies. I don't know.
Wrong. If one of your coworkers was Santa, who would it be?
Ho, ho, ho.
Wrap it or sack it?
Got mad rapping skills. Trust me. On point.
What's your favorite Christmas tradition?
Christmas dinner.
Would your team describe you as naughty or nice?
Probably nice.
Okay, what is your favorite Christmas dessert to make?
Gingerbread.
Oh,
Yeah,
yum.
gingerbread cookies.
Okay, Keith, any last words for our audience?
Let's make Christmas great again. Merry Christmas to all.